Let me share with you 7 tips that will help you become better tattoo artist and artist in general. And no, this is not gonna be a technical masterclass where I will explain how to make the crispiest line or the smoothest shading. This is something more behind the scenes that I think is even more important than technique. So let's start with tip number 1. Write down your favorite excuses. Mr. Busy is so busy today. He's got no time to do things because he's making excuses. Decorate your excuses. Look at them for a few days and see what's gonna happen. I challenge you to do it. Tip number 2. Start journaling at the end of the day. Just 5 minutes, a short sentence what happened. Even if it's the most boring story, just write it down. Keep journaling. Let's go to the tip number 3. Find yourself a hobby that is not tattooing related. This is one of the best things that you can do to yourself if you want to boost your creativity and become a better artist. And I'm not talking in here exactly about what I'm doing right now. You can find any hobby you want. You can do anything. You're just gonna exercise your brain to explore different forms of art, and it's gonna make you think different way. Tip number 4, don't attach yourself emotionally to your work. If something turned out not as you wanted, don't punish yourself for that. Take a note and try to improve it next time. You will waste so much energy that you can use to create something new. You're just attaching yourself emotionally to something that already happened instead of focusing on improving. Don't do it, baby boo. Don't. Tip number 5. Don't compare yourself to others. You are yourself, you are not others. You channeling your vision, focus on your work. If you want to use other artists' work as reference, do it. Have a look what technique the artist use. Look at the composition and do it yourself. Don't try to be other artists. What's the point? Tip number 6. Eliminate external noise. You don't have to give your full attention into the whole noise that's happening around you. I'm not telling you to be ignorant. Narrow your attention and eliminate all of this external noise. You don't need people who make you feel bad. You don't need stories that make you feel bad. Do what makes you happy. Since I eliminated everything that was creating the internal noise, the external noise turned into the internal noise I couldn't create. It's simple as that. Narrow your attention on what you're supposed to do. Focus on what makes you happy. Let's go to the tip number 7. Go out for a walk. Look at the cool shape of this headlight. I'm pretty sure I can create some mandala out of it. Look around, shapes are everywhere. Hedgehog Highway. You never know what you will find. There is inspiration everywhere. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this information, but it's pretty cool. Go to nature, play with nature, find shapes in nature. I work a lot with florals, so nature is my friend. And I'm pretty sure nature is your friend too. This is my private nature just in here. Come here, nature. You can find so much inspiration. Tell me, inspire me. No, go here, nature. If you're stuck with a creative problem, go out for a walk and explore what's happening around you. You'll be surprised. There is endless inspiration. Have fun.